Namaskar. 21 powerful remedies for Jupiter in the sixth house. So, if you have Jupiter in your natal chart in the sixth house, or also actually if Jupiter is transiting through your sixth house, then also this will apply to you. Now, there's a lot of confusion. What happens when this gentle, benevolent, and very wise planet, Guru, Brihaspati, goes and sits in your sixth house, which is one of the three most difficult houses? Sixth house is one of the Trik Bhava. 6, 8, and 12 are considered difficult, and sixth among them, especially because it deals with a lot of difficult things in life. Sixth house primarily relates to Roga, Ripu, and Rina. Rog is disease, Ripu is enemies, and Rin is debts. So those are the areas that the sixth house deals with, among some other things: volunteer service, your job, your profession, competitive exams. So it's very important for students. So all those areas are governed by sixth house. Now, how do you analyze a planet in a house or a sign or anywhere? I always tell in my courses also, think of planets as people. These are the 9 deities. If you look at them as people, then you can see exactly what's going on with that person, with that deity. And then you can interpret. So Jupiter represents Guru, that's the ether element expansion, Guru Tattva. Jupiter represents purity, because the Guru, the priest, or the Brihaspati, he's always doing things to cleanse, our lives, our minds. So morals and ethics and dharma all are very, very important for Jupiter. So these will be the themes. So that's how you can combine and come up with the remedies. And then, of course, you have to combine other things. What are the planets Jupiter is being aspected by, any conjunction, and that's how you can analyze your chart. If you want a deep dive, you can book a consultation on my website, bharatastroveda.com. And also leave in the comment section what other topics you're interested in. If you have Jupiter in the sixth house, or if you're aware of any other remedies, please share remedies that you do for Jupiter. And I read every comment, and then also I'll pick some charts that we'll discuss in the future video. And if you're interested in learning astrology, really powerful techniques, how you can find your purpose, be your own astrologer, you can join our courses at bharatastroveda.com. All right, so remedy number 1, read or teach sacred texts or scriptures such as Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Sahasranam, especially on Thursdays. Now, why this is important? This is because Jupiter in the sixth house, that may actually bring some kind of conflicts with the gurus. Now, that could be from this life karma, from past life karma. Sixth house is the house of enemies and conflicts. So Jupiter going there, there may be some differences or difficult karma with the guru. So you do things that the guru does or teaches, in fact, whatever the teachings of the gurus. So you read those scriptures yourself, or, and even better, you read and share with other people. Jupiter, the main thing is sharing and caring, sharing wisdom. And so sharing the spiritual knowledge, wisdom with other people is one of the best, most powerful remedy for Jupiter in the sixth house. Remedy number 2 for Jupiter in the sixth house: give donation or do seva or service to the gurus, literally. So this is partially for the same reason as number 1, that is, Jupiter in the sixth house may give you some conflicts, difficult karma with the gurus. So to avoid that conflict or to get rid of that karma, maybe from the past life, you can give donation to the gurus, you can honor the gurus, you can also serve your gurus, literally. Now, sixth house is the house of service. So serving other people, serving the humanity, doing volunteer service, all of that is sixth house. So we're literally combining the sixth house and the things related with Jupiter, the guru. So doing anything for the gurus. And also, the best thing to serve a guru, you can of course ask the guru what is the guru dakshina they want. But the best thing is to live that conduct, show in your life whatever the teachings of the guru and spread the word, and also help them serve the gurus. Number 3 remedy for Jupiter in the sixth house: donate yellow food items on Thursdays. Why is that? Yellow food items, especially you can do bananas or turmeric rice, yellow lentils, all of that. Thursday, of course, Thursday belongs to Jupiter, but sixth house is the house of seva and service, and also sixth house is the food, the diet, especially, and it's connected with health and all. So, donating food items, especially yellow food items, on Thursdays is a very powerful remedy for Jupiter in the sixth house. Number 4 remedy, uh, avoid overindulgence in food. So discipline in your diet and taking care of your digestion, that is very powerful remedy for Jupiter in the sixth house. Because what happens, see, Jupiter is the guru, Jupiter is expansion, and if you see the priests, they love to eat. They go to a house for yaga, and you serve them food. So basically, the priests, there's an element of laziness that's possible. So there's a tendency, if you have Jupiter in the sixth house or in the second also, you may actually overeat. So overindulgence in food, so that's possible. So avoid that. And also Jupiter rules the liver and the fat metabolism, and overall, the nutritional assimilation in our bodies. That's Jupiter. So to be very disciplined in your diet, in your food that you eat, and also your daily routine, dinacharya, so those will go a long way. So that's good for Jupiter in the sixth house. Number 5, wear yellow on Thursday. So that will directly improve or help with your health. That's Jupiter in the sixth house. There could be, especially like health issues related to fat or liver. So those will be taken care of. Now, so that's true, and you can do other things that are related with Jupiter, but especially wearing yellow on Thursdays is powerful. Number 6, teach or help or mentor someone who's struggling with their studies or exams. So good thing is basically teach students who are appearing for competitive exams or who are trying to get into college and things like that. So these tutoring institutes, you can do that, and that's because sixth house is the house of competitive exams, and also Jupiter is the wisdom and knowledge and sharing all of that. So this is a great remedy, and especially if you can see students who are not financially well off, so helping kids or students get into school or get into colleges through helping them through with their application process or competitive exams, that'll be a really powerful remedy for Jupiter in the sixth. Now, also remember, see, Jupiter, sixth house is the karma sthana. It's about action and doing things. And Jupiter is wisdom, but here, Jupiter in the sixth house, it means just doing your dharma. You have to actively do things. So karma is very important when Jupiter goes in the sixth house. Number 7, you can serve or volunteer in a hospital or in a clinic, especially related to liver issues or fat issues, weight loss kind of activities. And you can also literally work in that industry, in health care industry. And that'll be your karma yoga. And then you'll be sharing your skills and your wisdom. So working in a hospital or volunteering your time in a hospital, especially for these kind of ailments, will be very good for you. So that's number 7. Number 8, helping the animals or volunteer at a animal shelter home. So care like Jupiter. I think of Jupiter as like grandfather, share and caring and teaching and coaching. So taking care of animals, especially small animals, that's the domestic and the pet animals, that's sixth house. So taking care of animals, or you can also give donation for like rescue dogs or rescue animals. So those are good for Jupiter in the sixth house. Number 9, offer to help somebody who is struggling with debt. Because see, Jupiter is also money. That's because Jupiter is expansion in all areas of life. So abundance and wealth, that's also associated with Jupiter. So help somebody who is not able to pay their debt, through counseling, coaching also, like how they can manage their finances, but also literally actually giving them donations. So that's a good remedy. Then number 10, we have, so you can volunteer at a legal aid clinic or for legal services. You can help people who are struggling. And Jupiter is guru, right? So a lot of people don't associate, but Jupiter is the guru in the sense that legal counsel is very much a Jupiterian thing, and Jupiter is dharma. So literally, if you have a job or work in this area, that's perfect. You can do some pro bono work, but otherwise also help somebody going through any legal issues, legal case, through your wisdom or through donation or money. All those areas are good for Jupiter in the sixth house. Yeah. Number 11, you can donate for health related causes. Now, especially like going to gym, being more disciplined about health. So you can sponsor some physical education programs in schools, or, help somebody go to the gym every day. And so sixth house is discipline and health, and Jupiter is sharing and caring. And also you can promote like some kind of teaching or programs, health awareness. Things like so. That's more Jupiterian thing with Jupiter in the sixth house. Next one, number 12. Donation of sweets is a great remedy for Jupiter in the sixth house, because sweets, again, Jupiter rules sweets. Jupiter is the liver fat metabolism, and sixth house is our discipline. How much control you have on sweets. So that's in your life also. If you can stay away from sweets, that's great. That's a good remedy. But you can at least give donation of sweets. So that's number 12. Number 13, avoid unethical practices at work. So in other words, be very, very ethical and morally responsible in your job, in your profession, because Jupiter will always uphold dharma. And sixth house represents your work, your profession, the job that you do for somebody, like 9 to 5 job or anywhere. Not so much your business, but it is the job, that work that you do for somebody else. So be very, very conscientious in your workplace. Number 14, mentor somebody at your workplace. That is the most direct remedy of Jupiter in the sixth house, because as I mentioned, sixth house is your profession, your workplace, your work, and then Jupiter is the guru. Jupiter loves to share and mentor and guide other people. So even if you're not in a managerial role or as a consultant, but you can always share your wisdom with your co-workers through webinars, through internal meetings, lunch and learn sessions, whatever. So just share your wisdom and help, especially people who are interested in learning and growing. So that's a powerful remedy. Then number 15. See, sixth house also represents people who work for us, and especially like in India, people who work at our home, like this, the help that you get at home for doing chores and things. So the good remedy, number 15, is teach their kids or those people who are working. If they're not, going to school, so sponsor their education, essentially teach poor people who are working at other people's homes, doing cleaning or the guards, or so any kind of jobs that people do for you, help them with their education and gaining wisdom. Number 16, you can fast on Thursdays. So Guruvar Vrat. That's because Jupiter, as I mentioned, Jupiter is purity, Jupiter is cleansing, and so directly helps with your health. That is the sixth house. And you can fast, complete fasting, that's great. Or you can do simple, as I mentioned, fast from sweets, or let's say you'll eat only fruits and vegetables on that day. Or just you'll eat once a day. So it doesn't have to be very strict, whatever you can do. Fasting on Thursday, and actually it can also be fasting for certain things, or let's say you won't get angry on Thursdays, things like that. So but the best thing is, especially for your health, so staying away from food as much as possible on Thursday if your health allows. That's a great remedy. Number 17, plant a people tree. People, Peepal, or water, offer water to a people tree on Thursdays especially, or every day, because people is associated with Jupiter. People tree is the abode of Lord Vishnu. People is known as the guru among the trees, and so to get rid of our rina for gurus, That is, Rina is 6th house and Jupiter is the Guru. So that's a really perfect, powerful remedy you can do for Jupiter in the 6th house. Number 18, chant Guru mantras or Guru Beej mantra, especially on Thursdays. That will be very good for your health. The Guru mantra, the Guru Beej mantra is the Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruve Namaha. And then the other Guru mantra, Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Number 19, you can chant the Lord Dhanvantri mantra. Dhanvantri is the Lord of Ayurveda for healing. And here Jupiter we're considering as the healer. So the mantra goes like this: Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantre Amrit Kalash Hastaya Sarva Amay Vinashaya Trailokya Shri Maha Vishnave Namaha. Number 20, Guru Dosh Nivarana Yagya or Vishnu Yagya. So in fact, doing Yagya regularly, every day if you can yourself, or at least once a week, or having a priest come to your home every month at least, or every week, or going to a temple performing a Yagya. That is a really, really powerful. So that would help with any rina that you have for the priests, for the gurus. And eventually you should start doing this yourself as well. Number 21, do not hoard knowledge or wisdom. If you learn something from the gurus, share that with the world. Now there's a difference between Jupiter and Venus. Jupiter, they are both gurus, but their style of teaching is very different. Jupiter loves teaching in a group setting to a lot of people, whereas Venus shares wisdom one-on-one. So the best remedy for Jupiter in the 6th, that means you may have some difficult karma with the gurus. And so the best thing is to share whatever you learn with other people freely and completely. If not, then we have to come back the next life. We have to share those lessons, that wisdom that we learned. It's like the rina, it's the debt from the gurus that we incurred either in this life, or we may have learned things in the past life. So the more you can share your wisdom, the better, the best. This is the best remedy for Jupiter in the 6th house. So those were the 21 powerful remedies if you have Jupiter in the 6th house in the natal chart, or if you have Jupiter transiting through your 6th house. And if you know of any other remedies, write those in the comment section below. And if you want a deep dive in your chart, you can book a consultation, bharatastroveda.com. If you want to learn courses, learn astrology in a very traditional format, you can join our courses as well, bharatastroveda.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Om Gurubhyo Namaha.